Welcome to Sabeel Quran Pro app, your ultimate companion for understanding the Quran. Let's take you on a journey through its powerful features to enhance your Quranic experience. The home screen is your getaway to exploring the Quran. Track your monthly reading time, discover the verse of the day, and access key features like tafsir, Khatm Quran, Quran by subject, video section and quizzes, all in one place. Access the Quran easily with quick search options like go to surah and verse, go to page or go to juz. You can bookmark your favorite verses, play audio recitations, take notes, share your insights or explore word-by-word translations. Enhance your learning experience with the renowned qaris for recitation and enjoy the flexibility of reading in different languages like Urdu, English and Gujarati. Now let's take a look at how you can plan and track your Quran journey. The Quran Planner is a powerful tool to help you stay consistent and motivated on your Quran journey. Set your personal recitation goals like 1, 2, 5 or 10 pages daily. Track your progress with helpful reminders and insights in the individual section. Once you complete the Quran with others or dedicate for your marhoom, switch to the group Khatm Quran feature. Collaborate with friends, family or your community and dedicate the reward or sawab to marhoomin. Simply create a group, assign sections and monitor progress together. Now let's dive into the interactive learning features that will enhance your Quranic understanding. You can watch full HD videos of tilawat, translation, tafsir or learning Quran recitation. Learn the Quran at your own pace with engaging video series. Spend just 3 minutes daily and complete the Quran in 318 days. Spend 7 minutes daily to complete the Quran with translation in the same time. Or dedicate 10 minutes a day to finish the Quran tafsir in 5 years. Test your knowledge with our interactive quizzes. Answer questions, boost your understanding and see how you stack up on the leaderboard. Challenge yourself and compete to be the star of the month. Looking for deeper insights into the Quran? Let's explore tafsir options next. Looking for deeper understanding? Search and access tafsir by renowned scholars for a specific verse and gain valuable insights into the Quranic verses. Let's take a closer look at the Quran's guidance for specific topics. Explore the Quran by topic with our Quran by subject feature. Search for verses on themes like faith, patience or charity and uncover the Quran's guidance on every aspect of life. Ready to start your journey? Let's walk you through how to download and set up the app. Start your journey by downloading Sabeel Quran Pro from Google Play or the App Store. Create your account, select your preferred language and dive into the app. Sabeel Quran Pro is your perfect companion for understanding the Quran. Download it now from Google Play or the App Store and begin your journey today.